How to fix unstable connection or frequent disconnections in HMA PRO VPN. If you're frequently disconnected from the VPN, this can be due to a number of reasons. On this page we'll summarize the reasons and solutions for this issue. Connection issues are usually restricted to specific connection methods, clients, and protocols, so trying alternative options can improve the situation. When experiencing e.g. unstable connections or other connection issues, the first things you should try are, when using HMA VPN client, switch VPN protocol between OpenVPN registered and PPTP in our client software and try enabling the auto path feature, if you are using the old version of HMA. Try several VPN servers from different areas. Disable all security-related software on your computer temporarily, firewalls, especially the Windows firewall, antivirus software, peer blocking tools. If the problem remains, the next things to try are, trying alternative VPN protocols, OpenVPN registered UDP, try OpenVPN registered via UDP with our alternative clients, e.g. Windows, OpenVPN registered GUI, Linux, OAST OpenVPN registered GUI, Mac OS X, TunnelBlit. Then you should also check your router's configuration, log into your router's web configuration, see manual on how to get there. There, enable PPTP, L2TP and IPsec pass-through options. Disable the integrated firewall. Tips and tweaks, background apps and firewalls. Note that especially on Windows, the cause is often applications or services running in the background which cause conflicts or simply block access. For example, file sharing applications or any other software that can create a high number of connections, might cause disconnections. A common issue, as mentioned, is the Windows firewall. Many users forget to disable the Windows firewall after they installed an additional firewall, like Komodo, ZoneAlarm, or McAfee. Some antivirus applications also contain firewall functionality, so make you disable the Windows firewall when using any of these. Having multiple firewalls installed creates a bunch of different problems. Unnecessary protocols and adapters. Another common reason for connection issues on Windows is that applications install additional protocols into the properties of your network connection, example image. You should disable all unneeded protocols and services here, e.g. QoS, topology, VMware, etc. Usually only TCP/IPv4 is needed. Also check for installed network adapters that you don't use. If you're connected via WLAN and do not use your LAN adapter, disable it. WLAN quality. If you're connected to your router via WLAN, the cause of disconnections of VPN can of course also be a bad WLAN signal strength, or other WLAN signals that are sent on the same channel. Solution for this would be changing your WLAN channel in your router settings, and also trying different values for other available settings, channel width, network load, etc. Note that devices like microwaves, mobile phones etc. can also interfere with wireless connections. Also, is WLAN really necessary for you? Try a wired setup to compare the connection quality. Interrupted downloads. To prevent downloads within your browser from getting interrupted when the connection is lost, you might want to use a download manager. This allows you to resume interrupted downloads. The good one is e.g. GetRight, but you can also use browser add-ons for this purpose, like FlashGet, Firefox. Tweaking network settings. On Windows it makes sense to optimize TCP and network-related settings with tools like TCP Optimizer, which can improve not only your speed but also the stability of your connection. You can either do some fine-tuning with each setting and check the effect, or just select your bandwidth and set the profile to optimal.